In this video, I will show you how you can add or remove a new mail account in the Mail app of your iPad. Now to add or remove a new mail account in the Mails app of your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts. Now over here, you will find all the email accounts which are signed into your iPad. Now to add a new email account, just tap on Add Account and select Choose from a list. And from here, just select your email service provider name. For an example, I will select Google, then select Open Browser. Now in this section, just enter your email address. After you enter your email address, then tap on Enter. And in this section, just enter the password of your email address. After you do that, then just tap on Enter. Now just select Continue and tap on Continue. Now if you want to add this email account to your Mails app, just make sure you enable the toggle for Mail. After you do that, then just tap on Save. And as you can see, we have successfully added a new email account to our iPad. And if I go to the home screen and if I open the Mail app, and as you can see, we have successfully added this email account to our Mails app. Now to remove an email account from the Mails app, first of all, just go back to Settings. Then in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Mail app, then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts and select the email account which you want to remove from the Mails app. For example, I will select this email. Now if you want to remove this email account only from the Mails app, just disable this toggle. And after you do that, you'll remove the email account from the Mails app. But if you want to log out of this email account from your iPad, just select Delete Account. Then select Delete Account. And after you do that, you will completely sign out of the selected email account from your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.